Welcome to this video. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you on how to increase your share capital. So we go to post.cac.gov.ng. Of course, you should be familiar with that by now. That's for post-incorporation. Any changes, anything you do after a certificate is issued is called post-incorporation. Okay, whether filing annual returns, changing shareholder, increasing share capitals, removing shareholders, whatever things you're doing at all, is so far the certificate has been issued is known as post incorporation. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So you can only do that with accredited portal. So you go in to register. Okay, now the company I will be working with is and then search. So you have to put the company's name here and see. So make sure that the company you are working with, it might be kind of similar. Make sure that you are on the page. So yeah, so this is a company I want to increase in share capital for. How do we do this? Okay, so let me change to desktop view. I purposely don't want to use my system so that you know that you can do this thing via phone. So I'm just going to change. I've changed it to desktop size. As you can see here, we have alteration of memorandums, annual returns. You see, we have a lot of it over here. So what you're just going to do is to read through. This is what we are looking for: increase in issued share capital. So you have to click on that issued in share capital. So I've started one before this registration, so I just have to like stop so that I can record the video. So I'm going to click on this not submitted. I will go back. Let me see if I can delete. Okay, I can't delete it. So I will just click on continue so that I can start from afresh. So this is how it looks like once you click on issued in share capital. The company's name will be here, the registration number, then the nature of business, unspecified, and unfortunately I can't edit it, like I can't type there, so it's fine. Old issued share capital is 1 million. New issued share capital, I want to make it to be 2 million. So which means if you look at this down part, new issued share capital in words will be 2 million. So the difference between the old and the new is 1 million. As you can see, automatically that will even comes up by the time you put in the details of the new shared capital. So let me do, for instance, if I increase this ones to 3 million, you see, new issued share capital changed to 3 million, and the difference in the issued share capital changed to what? 2 million, which means I have 2 million before. Now I want to increase it to 3 million. So you see the difference. So but what we are doing is 2 million issued share capital. So the difference will come back to 1 million. Now ordinary share, yes, is under ordinary share. Okay. Oh, the nominal value, number of share division is still just 1. Then we are doing price per share at 1 million naira. Okay. Then after that, I'm to come here and to increase it. So the date of resolution is there. So I'm to come here to put in the full name of one of the director, secretary, or authorized persons of the company. Full name of one of the directors, and I'll come here to click on director. Okay, so once that is filled, you click on save and continue. We click on save and continue. You can see the preview page which says registered name is there, action type 1 million share capital. So it's by the addition of the sum of 1 million naira. You see, So that is it. So once you get to the place, you proceed to make payments. You see, I'm to pay 5,000 naira for the increase in share capital, and then to pay status report payment 5,000 naira. So I will go ahead to make payments. Of course, you should know how to make payments by now. So yeah, I'll go ahead to make payments. I think I'll just screenshot. I'll screenshot. So in case anything happens, I can reference that and RRR number. Don't forget, always copy out your RRR number. Then I'll click on submit for it to take me to the payment page. Hi guys, so I have to keep trying. So this is me now working on system. If you notice that the should I turn it landscape? I don't know if this will be better. Okay, so there's no any much story here. It's just to come here to make payments, right, for the increment of change. Remember, I could not get through on my phone, so I think it's the network. So I just said let me try on this part to see on my system to see. So yeah, I'm going to make payment and just pause this video, then continue after that so that you can see what next. Thank you. So yes, I've been able to pay the 10,000 naira, as you can see here, paid. So the next payment I was asked to make is stamp duty. You're going to pay for stamp duty. So I'm just going to click on that and also make the payment. So bear in mind that when you are doing your shares, when you want to increase your shares, you need to make payment for stamp duty as well. And the stamp duty you are paying for all depends on the how many share capital you are increasing it to. I hope you understand this. Okay, I will just wait for it to load so you can see the amount. We are just adding 1 million naira. You see, we are paying 8,000 naira. We are paying 8,000 naira. So yes, I'll go ahead and make this payment as well. All right, so wants to continue with our increase in share capital. I just want to upload the documents. You know, the network has been bad, so of course, if you are used to CAC by now, you should know that there are some things you just do. Go and sleep. You understand? Wake up and continue, because network at times can just frustrate you. So don't budge over it, like it happens to the best of us. So what we just do is that we drink water. After we finish drinking water, go and do something else, come back to it and continue. So let's just do it again now. Increase in issued share capital. So I've already paid for the tax promise. Oh, I'm sorry. I've already paid for the stamp duty. Okay, the stamp duty is 8,000. That one depends on what you want to, how many share capitals, okay, you want to do. Even the 10,000 naira we paid for is still the same thing, right? As you can see, I've paid. So the next thing is for me to upload documents. So I'll come over here, click on upload documents. I'll click on copy of resolution. I've already drafted the copy of resolution that I will be using. Is just stating that that the company is aware of, changing the resolution and all that. That has been like this since yesterday. Going to log in to the accredited portal so as to search for the increase in million share capital that we did. Okay, I'm sure you are familiar with this process by now. So yes, I'm going to change this to desktop view. Yep. And so I'll go to scroll down to increase in issued share capital. You see, it has been approved. I'm going to download the documents and download the memorandum. So after that, you are done. Thank you. I hope this video helps. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow for more details. Thank you.